Hey crafty people, and welcome to my channel. We are up to day 7 of the Gina K Designs 12 Days of Christmas box unboxing. Let's see what we have. Yesterday we had that beautiful glitter. Oh, so good. Alright, let's see what we have today. And I do have a playlist for all of these unboxings, and I will link that in the description box. I cannot figure out what this is. And it's not very bendy. Let's see. Ooh! Chalet background stamp. Look at that. That's amazing. I love this pattern. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Alright. That is great. I love that. Looks like diamonds, and that would make a really, really cool background. You could even put some of the stamp hug friends on that. That would make a great background for that. Or the tag. The tags from the other day too. That would be really cool. Alright, so here's our unboxing for the day. The playlist will be in the description box, and also any projects I make with these goodies will be in there as well. So you can go check out the other episodes if you missed any. Thanks so much for stopping by today, and until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.
Here are a couple more videos I thought you might like. Thanks so much for watching.